Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a nunchuck on Dolphin. First, launch the Dolphin Emulator application on your computer. Once it is open, locate and click on the Controllers button found in the main toolbar. This action will open a new window where you can manage all your input devices. From the drop-down menu for Wii Remote 1, choose Emulated Wii Remote to begin the configuration process for your nunchuck. After selecting Emulated Wii Remote for Wii Remote 1, you will see a Configure button appear right beside it. Click this button to open the detailed settings for your virtual Wii Remote. Within this new configuration window, locate the extension drop-down menu. It is crucial to set this option to Nunchuck to enable the Nunchuck's functionality within the emulator, allowing you to use its controls. Now, it is time to map the Nunchuck's specific controls. You will need to assign inputs for the joystick's X and Y axes, which control movement. Additionally, configure the C and Z buttons to keys on your keyboard or gamepad that feel most natural. Take your time to ensure each input is correctly registered. After mapping, launch a game to test all the movements and button presses for optimal gameplay. Once all your nunchuck controls are mapped, remember to save your configuration profile. This ensures your settings are preserved for future gaming sessions. Load up your favorite Wii game in Dolphin and thoroughly test every button and joystick movement. If you notice any issues, such as oversensitivity or unresponsive areas, return to the configuration menu to adjust the sensitivity or dead zones for a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.